If you're experiencing FPS drops in Valorant, follow these steps to help improve your gaming performance. This guide provides quick fixes to enhance your gameplay experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings. Go to the Settings menu in Valorant, navigate to the Video settings, and reduce the quality of textures, shadows, and effects. This can help increase your FPS. Step 3. Close background applications. Shut down unnecessary applications running in the background. Open the Task Manager. Ctrl+Shift+S can close any programs that are using significant CPU or memory resources while you play. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to Control Panel, System and Security System, Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, select Adjust for best performance to disable visual effects. Step 5. Check for overheating. Ensure your computer is not overheating. Clean any dust from your PC, check that fans are working properly, and consider using a cooling pad if you are on a laptop. Overheating can lead to throttling and reduced performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Valorant. Enjoy your gaming experience.